First things first, I appreciate your support. So this is an LG washing machine. So today I'll take you through basic maintenance tips, things you need to do after you've done your laundry. This should be done after every laundry, but if you don't have time, you can do it after every 1 month, 2 months. But don't let your machine clog with dirt for efficiency. So number one is the dispenser. It's simple. You just pull it out. There's a place written push, then you pull it out. Clean it and return. Number two is the door rubber gasket. So once you're done, take a clean towel or piece of cloth, pass it around the rubber. Just remove the water that stagnates on the rubber. Once this is done, leave the door open. It will leave your machine smelling good. So this should be done after every wash. After every wash. Number three is the drain filter. It's simple. Just flip the cover, then pull this out. This is the filter. It collects all the lint, toothpicks, coins that pass the drum. So if you don't do this, your machine will be taking too long to drain water. It will lead to a blockage, and then it will start giving you blockage errors. On the LG one, it will give you an OE error. So to avoid replacing drain pumps, because a lot of dirt or foreign objects on the propeller will mess up the pump. So this should be done at least after every 1 month. Just be careful so that you don't break the filter or this plastic cover. So those are the basic maintenance tips. Those three.